as she was simply and affectionately called by friends and comrades, was born on the 11th of January 1962 in Witbank. She departed this earth to glory just 9 days before celebrating her 60th birthday, the one she was looking forward to. She is the daughter of the late Mr. Petros Lishaba and Mrs. Batsiba Lishaba, who is still alive. She started her primary education at Maobane Primary School and moved to Elukhanyisweni Secondary School in Emalahleni, where she obtained her senior certificate in 1983. She then went to Ndebele College of Education, where she obtained a secondary teacher's diploma in 1986 with a first class pass. Understanding the value of education in self-development and development of others, she registered with Vista University for a baccalaureate artium, that is BA degree, in 1982 with English, psychology, public administration and education amongst courses for her degree. A lifelong learner, passionate and obsessed with expanding one's horizon, Comrade Lina obtained her baccalaureate education, that is B.Ed, in 1996 with the University of Pretoria. She loved teaching and she loved molding young minds and excelled in English and biology. She dedicated most of her teaching time to uplift the standard of living of children in the township and ensured that they receive the education that will make them able to compete in the global world. Comrade Lina got employed as an educator at Zidobele Secondary School from 1986 to 1987. She was given the responsibility for physical education and sports organization amongst the extramural activities, while she was also teaching Sepedi, biology and geography at the same time. Her hard work and her love for people development did not go unnoticed. She got a senior position at Elukhanyisweni Secondary School as the deputy principal, a position she held from 1987 to 2001. And as a deputy principal of Elukhanyisweni, she was also assigned the duties of the head of department, HOD in Natural Sciences. And then Comrade Lina then left the Department of Education and joined the Mpumalanga Department of Culture, Sports and Recreation as the regional head, the post she held from 2001 until 2002. Now, since a lit candle cannot be kept hidden under the table, her skills in management and the position of personal assistant to the executive mayor of Emalahleni local municipality in the years 2002 to 2003. In this position, Comrade Malachi was responsible for heading administration and advising the executive mayor on strategic issues, amongst others. Comrade Lina moved to be the municipal manager of Emakazeni local municipality in the year 2003 to 2006. She was the first female manager within Nkangala region and did not fail in representing women in this critical and strategic high position. She shaped the municipality's administration and put systems in place that would help the municipality sustain itself. Her stay at Emakazeni was short-lived, but she made a great impact. Comrade Malachi was elected as the executive mayor of Emalahleni local municipality in the year 2006. And it is during this time that she faced challenges within the African National Congress, which unfortunately led to her African National Congress membership being suspended for a period of 5 years. But as a disciplined cadre of the movement, she continued with work in the community and was appointed as the project manager of one of the main contractors at Kusile Power Station, where she was responsible for the management of the company's finances, the staff, and logistics from the year 2011 to the year 2012. Immediately after the end of her ANC membership suspension, Comrade Lina joined the Nkangala District Municipality as the Deputy Manager, Head of Disaster Management Center, and she was responsible for fire and rescue services, including safety within the district. It did not take long for her to be appointed as the General Manager, the GM, for the Social Services Department in the same district municipality until the year 2016, when she was elected as a councillor for Nkangala District Municipality. Comrade Lina was then elected to the position of the Executive Mayor for Nkangala District Municipality and served diligently until the ANC redeployed her to Emalahleni Local Municipality. At the time of her passing, she was re-elected as the Executive Mayor of Emalahleni Local Municipality after succeeding in the mayoral interviews conducted by the ANC and the Alliance NEC panel. The mayoral candidates for the year 2021 local government elections, the most difficult elections since the dawn of our democracy, were to meet the qualification requirements in order to be eligible to be interviewed. Comrade Lina aced the interviews, not only as the sitting executive mayor, but because of the seriousness with which she regarded local government. She equipped herself with requisite knowledge and skills to turn local government around. When in local government, she obtained a number of qualifications to assist her understand local government better, and amongst those qualifications are the following: the Executive Leadership Municipal Development Program, Certificate Program in Management Development, that is CPMD, in Municipal Finance, Fundamental Project Management, Assessor Moderator course, just to name a few. She served in the South African Local Government Association, that is SALGA, first as the Deputy Chairperson for the Mpumalanga Province, whilst she was the Executive Mayor of Nkangala District. But at the time of her untimely death, she was serving in the National SALGA as the Chairperson of the Rural Development Portfolio Committee. Comrade Malaji, as a leader, displayed some of the rare characteristics expected from the cadres of our movement. She was like a pin, straight, sharp, and she was level-headed and very clean. She knew how to separate self-centeredness from what she wants to achieve for her people. As a leader who belongs to people, she advanced a people's cause without posturing herself. A cadre with incisive mind, sharp wit, and easy humor. Comrade Malina's passing left a huge void in the ANC and in government in general. She was a committed activist who served in the structures of the African National Congress and its alliance in various capacities. She belonged to a generation of the post-apartheid activists who gave impetus to our struggle beyond its unbanning. A vociferous opponent of gender inequality and discrimination. And throughout her political activism, Comrade Lina was in the forefront of the struggle towards the advancement of women emancipation and empowerment. She is of the generation of the young people whose political consciousness and maturity caused them to respond to the Year of the Spear, as declared by O.R. Tambo in his 1979 speech. Simultaneously, Comrade Lina could not escape the influence of the workers' struggle, led by South African Democratic Teachers Union, that is SADTU. Whilst practicing as an educator, Comrade Lina cut her political tooth in the trade union movement as a site steward of the South African Democratic Teachers Union, where she served as the branch secretary in Witbank branch, served also as an education convener and gender convener for Greater Highveld region. She later served as the political gender convener, that is provincial. Comrade Lina Malachi also served in the COSATU structures and led and held the positions of gender chairperson in Mpumalanga and also the deputy chairperson in Mpumalanga. But then due to her strong understanding of dialectical materialism, which asserts that people are a product of their material circumstances, their human nature, and that their outlook and general psychology reflect the condition under which they live and work, Comrade Lina understood that to change the people, you must change their circumstances. She understood that people draw knowledge and develop character from the practical experience of the material world that everyone is able to learn from, live in, and play a part in running the affairs of the society. As a cadre who understood that the ranks of the African National Congress need to be swelled, she became involved in both the African National Congress branch and the ANC Women's League, that is the PEC and the REC structures respectively. She is a member in good standing of Ward 21, Ibalule branch. Comrade Lina served as the ANC Nkangala REC member, Nkangala ANC Women's League convener, ANC REC deputy secretary. At the time of her passing, she was a member of the Mpumalanga ANC PEC and also the ANC Women's League RTT convener in Nkangala. Comrade Lina Malachi played a key role in stabilizing the governance and systems in the city of Emalahleni local municipality towards a financially sustainable institution. Her key focus as the executive mayor was on the accelerated service delivery program, which was underway across the city. Comrade Lina Malachi's passing is a great loss to the movement, the community of Emalahleni, and the society at large. We are forever grateful for her selfless contribution to the freedom of the people of South Africa and the enhancement of service delivery within the city of Emalahleni. Comrade Lina leaves the responsibility to all of us to build revolutionary alliance and to revive its core values, that is of unity, selflessness, sacrifice, collective leadership, humility, honesty, discipline, integrity, hard work, internal debate, constructive criticism, as well as mutual respect. She performed her task with unmatched efficiency and self-discipline, free from any form of corruption. She was a shining star in the performance of her duties. She was the light for her fellow comrades. She was a great asset to the African National Congress. There was no task too small nor too huge for Comrade Lina. It is only at times like this that we realize that we have never said thank you enough to the family of Malachi and Lishaba. And also, we have never applauded and appreciated her enough. We wish for that last moment to say, thank you, dear comrade. Thank you, Mbogodo. Comrade Lina Malachi's main pillar of strength was her husband, Moruti Spetlele Iseu Malachi, the sixth son of the late Jeremiah Ramkhopa Malachi and Maria Sikeko Malachi. Mruti Malachi was born on the 23rd of July 1955 in Leidenburg and received his primary education at Tsehla Secondary School, then proceeded to Mang Limang Secondary School to complete his senior certificate. And in 1997, he got married to his beloved Masilane Malachi, and they were blessed with 4 children. They so much loved. That is Ali, Mpho, Tebogo, and Khaogelo, affectionately known as Kaizo. To raise and support the family he dearly loved, he worked at various companies such as Highfield Bakery, Mpagati Bus Services, and as a site manager at Tamukela Business Enterprise. Ntate Ise was a God-fearing, devoted Christian until his untimely death. He actively served in the St. Agnes Zion Christian Church, Tushanang Temple, for many decades. He served the temple in various capacities, including but not limited to being one of the choir choristers, and also as a temple secretary, the transport coordinator, and it did not come as a surprise when he was then ordained as a priest. Khosi, as he was affectionately known, Ntate Malachi, also served as a youth general secretary for the region, assistant youth leader in 2001, and became youth leader, that is Hloko Yabaswa. Ntate Spetlele Malachi demonstrated his God-given spiritual gifts, knowledge, skills, and integrity, loyalty, and was very diligent in executing his ministerial duties. He deservedly became the member of the Church General Executive Committee. Ntate Mruti Malachi and Me Muruti, Comrade Lina Malachi, are survived by their 4 children, 3 daughters-in-law and 1 son-in-law, 10 grandchildren who were the apples of their grandparents' eye. They also had a daughter, Ntabi Singh, who blessed them with 3 grandchildren. Comrade Lina leaves behind her beloved mom, her 3 sisters and 5 brothers, whilst Ntate Malachi leaves behind his 3 sisters and 1 brother. May Comrade Lina Masilane Malachi and Muruti Sipetlele Iseo Malachi's departed soul rest in eternal peace and rise in glory. Nikulwile ukulwa okuhle kokukholwa. Nifanelwe umqhele wokulunga uNkulunkulu ongumahlulelo oqotho aza kunamikelisa wona. Siyobonana kwelizayo.
Thank you very much, Comrade Linky. Kulesikhathi samanje, I will request Mpumalanga Youth Choir. We don't have time, just 1 song. Lawa makwaya lebeka sebenda kanye no mayor wala eMalahleni, so they want to celebrate him.
The funeral service of the late Imalahleni local municipality mayor, Lina Malachi, as well as her husband, underway there in Mpumalanga. We will take you back there in a short while. You heard the obituary, learning more about the couple and the life that they lived.